A tile roof not sealed off properly will let water in. The consequences are that damp will accumulate inside the roof, mold will grow and timber will rot. This was a tile roof waterproofing, maintenance and waterproofing, out of the book. The concrete roof tiles were cracked and broke on critical spots, letting water to penetrate. Ridge mortar filling between ridge tiles was separating and signs of mold growth showing. No flashing was found where the chimney and roof meets. Valleys were not sealed with waterproofing. This typical concrete tile roof needed waterproofing badly. With water entering the roof, damp will form and stay inside for quite some time. Consequently, old will grow as well as the rotting of timber will occur. Needless to say that it will lead to huge financial expenses to rectify. Then there is the medical expenses because of the unhygienic situation. First, the tile roof had to be cleaned of all debris and dust particles between tiles. All damaged and cracked tiles were removed and replaced with new tiles. The valleys were carefully cut open and flashing as well as plumb's vents cleaned. Then the craftsman waterproof all hips, valleys, ridges, flashing and plunges vents properly. A fresh coat of high-quality UV-resistant paint finished the job. With tile roof waterproofing done, the property is ready to withstand rainfall and the occupants can rest assured that they will be protected against the weather. Visit https://tremco.co.za or call 0732708270.